Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change power on Wi-Fi settings on 70mai M300 dashcam. So there's two things that you need to have before it to work. You need to have the dashcam plugged in with a cable, mini USB. Then you need to have a phone with the installed 70mai application. Once you install the application, just click on it and it will guide you to set up your dashcam. I already did that, so all you need to do, just click the top three dots at the top of your screen. Then go to the power on Wi-Fi setting, and if you want to disable it, just click off and it should automatically apply it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.